Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to deposit money at a Bank of America ATM. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to any Bank of America ATM, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply enter your credit card and then simply enter your credit card PIN. Now after you do that, what you're gonna have to do next is simply select the deposit cash option, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply choose in which of your account you want to deposit money. So you're gonna have your checking and your savings. So simply choose any of these, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply enter the amount of money that you want to deposit. Now the next step is to confirm, and then simply enter the cash in the ATM, and basically that's it. Then you should see it directly into your Bank of America account, so it shouldn't take more than 10 seconds. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.